Listen carefully, because what I'm about to share with you could change the way you think about fat loss. If you want to lose 10 pounds of fat safely and effectively, you need to understand one thing: it's not about extreme diets or punishing workouts. It's about working with your body, not against it. Now, why does this matter so much? Because dropping those extra pounds is not just about looking good, it's about transforming your health. Losing 10 pounds can reduce the strain on your heart, lower your blood pressure, and improve your cholesterol levels. That means a healthier heart and a stronger future. It also boosts your energy. When you carry less excess weight, every movement becomes easier. Climbing stairs, walking to work, playing with your kids. Everything feels lighter and more enjoyable. Your joints will thank you too. Extra fat puts unnecessary pressure on your knees and hips. Shedding just 10 pounds can significantly reduce joint pain and improve flexibility. And let's talk about confidence. When you feel better in your own skin, it changes everything: your mood, your mindset, and even your relationships. That confidence pushes you to go further, achieve more, and live life fully. Plus, fat loss improves sleep quality, balances hormones, and sharpens your focus. You'll feel more productive, less stressed, and more in control of your life. So remember, this is about more than just a number on the scale. It's about health, energy, confidence, and freedom. Take small, smart steps every day, and those 10 pounds will be just the beginning of your transformation. Creating a calorie deficit is one of the most important steps in any fat loss journey, and the good news is that it doesn't have to be complicated or extreme. A calorie deficit simply means consuming fewer calories than your body uses for energy throughout the day. Your body needs a certain amount of energy to perform basic functions like breathing, circulating blood, and keeping your organs running, plus extra energy for your daily activities such as walking, working, and exercising. When you eat more calories than your body needs, the excess energy gets stored as fat, leading to weight gain. On the other hand, when you consume slightly fewer calories than your body burns, your body begins to use its stored fat for energy, and that's when fat loss happens. The key is to create this deficit in a healthy, sustainable way. Many people think they need to starve themselves or skip meals to lose fat, but that's not true and can actually harm your metabolism and overall health. Instead, the smart approach is to reduce calorie intake gradually, focusing on nutritious foods that keep you full without adding too many extra calories. For example, choose lean proteins, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains because these foods are nutrient dense and satisfying. They provide your body with essential vitamins and minerals while keeping your calorie count under control. Another effective method is to reduce high-calorie, low-nutrient foods like sugary snacks, fried items, and sugary drinks, as they add calories without giving you any real nutritional benefit. Along with eating better, moving more throughout the day can increase your calorie burn, making the deficit easier to achieve without feeling deprived. Small changes like walking after meals, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or doing a short home workout can make a big difference over time. Remember, you don't need to cut out entire food groups or follow strict fad diets. Extreme restrictions can lead to frustration, binge eating, and even health problems. Instead, think balance. A deficit of around 500 calories per day is considered safe and can lead to about a pound of fat loss per week, which is a realistic and healthy pace. Patience and consistency are your best friends here because fat loss is a gradual process and quick fixes often lead to quick regains. Focus on creating habits you can stick with long term, and the results will follow. Increasing your protein intake is one of the smartest strategies for anyone looking to lose fat in a healthy and sustainable way. Protein is often called the building block of the body because it supports muscle repair, growth, and overall health. But its benefits go far beyond that when it comes to fat loss. One of the biggest reasons protein is so powerful is that it helps control hunger and cravings. High protein foods take longer to digest compared to simple carbohydrates, which means they keep you feeling full for a longer time. This naturally reduces your chances of overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks, making it easier to stay within your daily calorie goals without feeling deprived. Another major advantage of protein is its role in protecting lean muscle mass while you are losing fat. When you are in a calorie deficit, your body not only burns fat, but can also break down muscle tissue for energy if your protein intake is too low. Losing muscle is something you definitely want to avoid because muscle is metabolically active tissue. It helps you burn more calories even at rest. By eating enough protein, you preserve your muscle mass and keep your metabolism strong, which means you burn fat more effectively without slowing down your progress. Protein also has a higher thermic effect compared to fats and carbohydrates. This means that your body uses more energy to digest and process protein than it does for other macronutrients. In simple terms, when you eat protein, your body burns more calories just to break it down, which gives your metabolism a slight boost. This small but significant effect adds up over time and supports your fat loss goals in a natural way. The best part is that increasing protein does not require any extreme measures. You can start by adding a good source of protein to every meal. Foods like eggs, chicken breast, fish, lean beef, tofu, beans, lentils, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese are excellent choices. If you struggle to get enough protein from whole foods, a high-quality protein shake can be a convenient option, but it should never replace real food completely. The key is balance and consistency. By making protein a priority in your diet, you will feel more satisfied, maintain your muscle, boost your metabolism, and make your fat loss journey easier and more enjoyable. Drinking more water is one of the simplest yet most effective habits you can adopt when trying to lose fat. Water plays a crucial role in almost every function of your body, from digestion and nutrient absorption to regulating temperature and removing toxins. When it comes to fat loss, water is a powerful tool because it helps keep you hydrated, supports your metabolism, and can even reduce unnecessary calorie intake. Many times, people mistake thirst for hunger and end up eating when their body actually needs hydration. By drinking water regularly throughout the day, you can prevent these false hunger signals and avoid unnecessary snacking that adds extra calories. Water also supports your metabolism in a big way. Your body needs water to break down stored fat and carbohydrates for energy. Even mild dehydration can slow down this process, making it harder for you to burn fat efficiently. When you are well hydrated, your body can function at its best, which means better fat oxidation and improved energy levels. Drinking a glass of water before meals can also help control your appetite naturally. It creates a sense of fullness, so you are less likely to overeat, making it easier to stay in a calorie deficit without feeling hungry all the time. Another important benefit of drinking water is its role in digestion and detoxification. Proper hydration ensures that your digestive system runs smoothly, reducing bloating and helping your body eliminate waste effectively. This not only makes you feel lighter, but also improves overall gut health, which is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Replacing sugary drinks, sodas, and high-calorie beverages with water is another simple yet powerful way to cut down on unnecessary calories. Those liquid calories can add up quickly and often go unnoticed, slowing down your fat loss progress. By choosing water instead, you stay hydrated without adding any extra calories to your diet. If plain water feels boring, you can infuse it with natural flavors like lemon, cucumber, or mint to make it more refreshing. Herbal teas without added sugar are also a great option. The key is consistency. Carry a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. A good starting point is to aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, but your needs may vary based on your activity level, climate, and overall health. Staying hydrated will keep your energy levels high, help your body burn fat more effectively, and make you feel healthier overall. Drinking water might seem like a small habit, but it can make a big difference when combined with other healthy practices for fat loss. Getting quality sleep is one of the most overlooked yet critical factors for successful fat loss. Many people focus on diet and exercise, but forget that sleep plays a major role in how the body burns fat, regulates hunger, and recovers. When you don't get enough sleep, your body experiences hormonal imbalances that can make losing fat much harder. Two important hormones are affected by sleep: ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin is the hormone that increases hunger, and leptin is the hormone that signals fullness. When you are sleep deprived, ghrelin levels rise, making you feel hungrier, while leptin levels drop, meaning your body doesn't get the proper signal to stop eating. This combination often leads to overeating and cravings, especially for high-calorie, sugary, and fatty foods. Lack of sleep also affects your stress hormone cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels can slow down fat burning and encourage your body to store fat, particularly around the belly area. This makes it much harder to achieve a leaner body, even if you are eating well and exercising. Poor sleep also impacts your energy levels, making you feel tired and less motivated to work out or stay active throughout the day. This creates a cycle where fatigue leads to skipped workouts and poor food choices, both of which stall fat loss progress. On the other hand, when you prioritize quality sleep, your body works in your favor. Sleep is when your body repairs muscles, balances hormones, and restores energy for the next day. This recovery is essential for maintaining a strong metabolism and preserving lean muscle while you lose fat. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which not only supports muscle repair but also helps in fat metabolism. Getting enough rest also sharpens your mental focus, making it easier to stick to your nutrition plan and avoid emotional eating. To improve your sleep, create a consistent bedtime routine and stick to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Avoid screens and bright lights at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can interfere with your natural sleep hormones like melatonin. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet for the best sleep environment. Limiting caffeine in the afternoon and avoiding heavy meals right before bedtime can also make a big difference. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. This isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for your health and fat loss goals. Good sleep will help regulate your appetite, improve your metabolism, and keep your energy levels high, making your fat loss journey much more effective and sustainable. Moving more throughout the day is one of the easiest and most practical ways to speed up fat loss without making drastic changes to your lifestyle. Many people think that the only way to burn calories is through intense gym sessions, but the truth is that the small movements you make outside the gym play an even bigger role in how many calories you burn each day. This is called non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT for short, and it includes all the calories you burn from simple daily movements like walking, cleaning, gardening, or even standing instead of sitting. Increasing these activities can help you create a calorie deficit without feeling like you're forcing yourself into long, exhausting workouts. When you add more movement into your daily routine, you boost your metabolism and keep your body active throughout the day. Sitting for long hours slows down your metabolism and reduces fat burning efficiency, even if you exercise for an hour. On the other hand, taking regular breaks to stand up, stretch, or walk around can make a big difference over time. Something as simple as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or parking a little farther from the store to get in extra steps adds up and contributes to your overall calorie burn. These small actions seem minor, but combined over weeks and months, they can have a significant impact on fat loss. Moving more also improves blood circulation, energy levels, and overall mood, making it easier to stay consistent with healthy habits. When your body feels active and energized, you're less likely to experience fatigue and more likely to stick to your nutrition plan. Walking after meals is another excellent habit because it helps with digestion and stabilizes blood sugar levels, which can reduce cravings later in the day. If your job requires sitting for long periods, consider standing up every 30 to 60 minutes or doing light stretches to keep your muscles engaged. You don't need to overcomplicate this process or aim for perfection. Start with small, realistic changes that fit into your daily life. For example, set a goal to reach 8,000 to 10,000 steps per day and gradually increase it as you build the habit. If possible, take walking meetings, use a standing desk, or schedule short activity breaks throughout your day. These adjustments require minimal effort but deliver powerful results over time. The goal is to make movement a natural part of your lifestyle, not just something you do during a workout. When you consistently move more, you not only burn more calories, but also improve your overall health, boost energy, and feel more active and alert throughout the day. At the end of the day, losing fat is not about quick fixes or extreme measures. It's about creating healthy habits that you can maintain for life. Simple steps like creating a calorie deficit, Eating more protein, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and moving throughout the day may seem small on their own, but together they create a powerful system for real, lasting results. Remember, this is not just about looking good, it's about feeling strong, healthy, and confident from the inside out. Every healthy choice you make takes you closer to your goal. Stay consistent, be patient, and trust the process. The effort you put in today is an investment in a healthier, happier you tomorrow.